17 Mount Vernon Road will be our office for at least 3 weeks.
We're in Little Italia.
Mount Vernon. Okay, so we only need a small area of this office. Put that one in the front. That other one over here. Right here. We need it right here. Yeah. Perfect. Mr. Hughes will know we have been here. Okay, so we put all the signs in the window.
Put up there.
And our sign sticking out, so everybody kind of looks over this way. On a very busy street. The most important part of campaigning is keeping it fun.